it's my honor and privilege to invite the Executive Vice Chairman and CEO of Nigerian Communications Commission, Professor Umar Garba Danbatta, for his remarks to today's workshop.
Let me welcome you most sincerely to this international workshop, which I understand is either wholly or partly funded by the DFLO Foundation. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, two technologies have spectacularly impacted the lives of citizens of the world, irrespective of where they are and what their circumstances are. Communications and the internet. These two technologies were developed separately, but they are now converging. So there is convergence. And this convergence is what has given rise to information and communications technology. When I look at the digital transformation ecosystem, I found 5 elements that define the digital transformation ecosystem. And here I'm talking about digital transformation because it is synonymous with social and economic transformation. So if you want socially and economically transform, meaning develop, then you need to embrace digital transformation. If you want to embrace digital transformation, you need to know the elements of the ecosystem. 5 of them. One, I particularly remember very well, is institutional enabling policies and institutions. That is an important element of the digital transformation ecosystem. Then there's human capital, which is very much relevant to what we're doing here. Human capital. 3, the ICT industry, which again we're going to be talking about. What policies will be put in place to further accentuate the contribution of the ICT industry. And then the 4th one is communications infrastructure. Now when you look at the name internet, okay, a compound name, made up of inter, between, and network. We are taking cognizance. We take cognizance of the elements of the digital transformation ecosystem. Because we have to start somewhere. How do we generate that critical mass of ICT adoption and use, so that by so doing we can increase internet penetration, broadband penetration, and mobile voice penetration? And I think this particular element of the digital ecosystem comes readily to mind when we look at the purpose for which we are gathered here today, because we are going to be talking a lot about human capacity building. On its part, the Nigerian Communications Commission, through the Digital Beauty Institute, funds interventions aimed at providing training, particularly to teachers in our tertiary institutions, so that they can leverage the power of information and communications technology to improve content delivery, to be able to access relevant materials from the internet. Secondly, we know how important it is to ensure the network is available, the infrastructure that is necessary to facilitate access to the internet must be available. I think we have been supporting various initiatives on internet governance in many levels in this country. we are a key player in, ensuring the internet forum, in this country is vibrant. A lot of very good ideas are coming out with a view to enhancing not only internet connectivity, but as well as access, to the internet, making sure the networks are available to provide access, and making sure that this access is also affordable. So the list of interventions of the Nigerian Communications Commission and the key reason of Your Excellency's presence, is really a long list that I may not be able to really exhaustively give. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, therefore, my pleasure to declare this workshop open, and I'd like to thank you very much, and I hope you will deliver it very well, express your views, in an atmosphere that is independent of any interference from any party, as well as spare time to visit the city of Abuja and see for yourself our young, growing, vibrant city, so that you will have other stories to tell about the very, very conducive atmosphere that Abuja offers, as well as take back to your different countries the memories that you'll be coming across. I would like to thank you very much for your attention.